YouTube, what's going on? Kyle back with ePoolSupply. Today we are going to run you through some quick fix videos on Pentair's creepy crawly SandShark suction side pool cleaner. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So again, today we are going to do some quick fixes on Pentair's creepy crawly SandShark suction side pool cleaner. Today we are actually going to show you guys how to remove this entire bumper assembly in the front of the cleaner. So this bumper assembly is going to protect the cleaner from hitting edges, and especially in straight corners since it's rounded. So as this is agitating back and forth, very similar to a lot of suction side pool cleaners, it'll actually hit the corner, and because it's rounded, it'll slowly make its way around to then continue its pattern. So this is very crucial to the functionality of the cleaner. So over time, you're going to see that this bumper in the front gets a lot of wear, as well as the clips that actually hold this bumper on do tend to deteriorate over time, just because it's made from a plastic rubber composite. So over time, you will need to replace this as well as the parts underneath. So very, very simple. What I do is I just grab a hold on each side here, put your thumbs right here in the front of the cleaner, and you just lift. So as you can see here, the pieces I was talking about, as well as on the bottom of the bumper itself, all it does is just pressure fits onto the top of the cleaner to make sure that you don't get stuck in walls. So this is important. It also has a weight on it. This is very heavy, so this is crucial to the functionality of your cleaner. So if it falls off, you do need to fix this. So real simple, it just pulls right out, and then you'll want to check out our other videos on how to actually get to the internals of this cleaner in order to replace these parts. But as long as they're good to go and you buy a new bumper assembly that we have available in the links below, you can actually just take the new one, slide it over, and then you want to give it a good hit, because without hitting it on there, it doesn't completely pressure fit on. So once you can feel that the knobs underneath are actually inside of those plastic rubber composites, you're just gonna give it a good smack. Give the other side a good smack, and then this normal movement is completely okay. This is actually completely normal from the factory, so don't be alarmed if the front of the bumper assembly still moves up and down. As long as you can actually grab the sides and fully lift the cleaner up still, you've actually gotten the bumper installed correctly. So today we went over how to take this off and reinstall a new one. This is the front bumper assembly for Pentair's creepy crawly SandShark, meant for suction side pool cleaners. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.